Oh, ganda. Oh, beautiful. Did you guys know that Gangneung is known for its beautiful sunrise? Gusto kong i-wrap up yung ating ilang araw na stay dito. This trip is full of beautiful memories. Minsan naiyak ako kahit ngayon pag iniisip ko siya naiyak pa rin ako. We're Kuripot travelers. Pero guys, na-enjoy ko pa rin yung trips ko ha, kahit in a Kuripot way. Kasi I can still enjoy things even in the simplest ways. Wait lang, may nagja-jogging na mga opa. Tsare, kung nakapag-ipon kayo ng kahit konti, I urge you to travel talaga. Kasi iba yung nagagawang healing ng travel. You're able to expand your horizon. Feeling ko I grew a lot, tumatayog yung pangarap natin when we are able to travel. So travel lang ng travel, pero wag kalimutan mag-ipon. Dapat may ipon tayo. Hello guys, this is Dave, the Kuripot traveler. It's our last day here in Gangneung. And guys, it's 6 a.m. We're gonna catch the sunrise. Oh, ganda. Whoa, beautiful. Ang ganda guys. Look. Ganda ng sunrise dito sa Gangneung. Good morning. Are you shocked? I'm early. Hello, Ayim. Beautiful. Ito sila, nagpipicture-picture. The sunrise in Gangneung. So beautiful. Nag-shoot lang kami dito. Appreciated the sunrise. So pretty. Did you guys know that Gangneung is known for its beautiful sunrise? Kaya super worth it. Solid maglakad-lakad dito. Magmuni-muni.
You're ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2.
Going where? That?
From that bottle to the right. You only have to run. It's okay? Okay. You're like, I'm super cold. Okay.
Yes,
1,
because my hair is wet.
2, 3. Go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
The sun looks really pretty nice.
Yeah. It's like I'm watching the view I was drawing yesterday.
The what?
Yeah, watching the view I was drawing yesterday.
Yeah.
Yesterday I was drawing the
Yeah.
sunrise. Oh, and you as well.
Dami ding seagull. Guys, you can go ahead. I'll just run. So this is Gyeongpo Beach in Gangneung. This is right in front of our hotel, the Sky Bay Hotel. That's a 5-star hotel, guys. Tapos naging filming spot din ng business proposal. At least we were able to catch the sunrise on our last morning here in Gangneung. Morning walk. Beautiful. Ay, parang gusto kong umupo. Kaso medyo basa. Pwede lang tayong makinig dito ng tunog ng wave. Diba? And then just sit here. Gusto kong namnamin yung view. Nakakaloka lang. May mga actually bawal pala to guys, yung mga firecrackers dito. Sinabihan tayo ng ating tour guide na bawal. Look, seagull. Hey! Sinusundan ko lang siya. Gusto ko makuha ng magandang shot. Nagmumuni-muni din siya. Our last day in Gangnong. Last morning actually, kasi papunta tayong Seoul. So, lang muna tayo muni-muni. Gusto kong i-wrap up yung ating ilang araw na stay dito. Yung ilang araw na stay natin dito sa Korea. This is my longest. Ito yung pinakamahaba kong trip sa Korea. Usually, 9 days, 9 days, 7 days. More chika na lang tong natin tong vlog na to while nakikita ko pa rin naman yung sunset. Sunset, sunrise. 14 days, pero 23 yung alis natin. Ayun. Ito yung pinakamahaba kong trip sa Korea. And pangalawa sa pinakamahaba, because of course, yung pinakamahaba natin guys, yun ay yung sa Europe. 17 days kasama yung flight. I feel so blessed na we were able to come. Tinap tayo ng Creatorism Organization to be with creators, K-creators. Kanina yung nakita nyo, sina Ayim from Kazakhstan, and then si Diana. Diana yung parang BFF ko dito kasi magka-wavelength talaga kami. Minsan nag-aasaran, ganun. And then meron pang iba from Malaysia, si Celine, Vietnam, our celebrity, si V. Tinatawag namin siyang Ayu kasi kamukha niya. Tapos everywhere we go, parang lagi may nakakakilala sa kanyang Vietnamese kasi marami din kaming Vietnamese na yung mga nagtatrabaho sa resto. I think dalawang nagtatrabaho sa resto, tapos dalawa students. And then, si Tanto yung from Indonesia. Sila yung mga naging bago nating kaibigan dito sa trip na to. Wait, gusto ko maglakad-lakad. Tapos si Oma Jade. We have our Oma. Si Oma Jade from Korea. Tour guide talaga siya. Like, I think partner siya ng Creatorism Organization, yung tour agency nila. Tapos sila talaga yung nag-aalaga sa atin. Si Justin din, yung Sanjang Nim. Ito yung mga tao na kilala natin. And this is Soyeon. Soyeon from KTO talaga. Okay, mimit natin siya sa Seoul. So this trip has been nothing short of amazing. Tama ba yung grammar? This trip is full of beautiful memories, surprises, 'di ba? From Jeonju to Mokpo, to Andong, to Busan, and here to Gangnong. Nisip ko kailan kaya ulit mangyayari yung mga ganito, no? Ang generous, like, we're really treated well by the Korea Tourism Organization. I think ganito ka lang, no? Yung camera. We're really treated well by the Korea Tourism Organization kasi may mga experiences tayo dito na dito ko lang feeling ko sa trip na to ma-experience yung VIP-like treatment. Minsan naiyak ako kahit ngayon, pag iniisip ko siya, naiyak pa rin ako kasi we're kuripot travelers. So we don't really spend much on travels but we are still able to enjoy. Tinitipid ko yung sarili ko sa mga travels kasi para may ma-travel ulit ako sa ibang bansa. Gets ba? Para sa susunod na bansa, may gagamitin akong fund, budget for the next trip. Kasi I like going to different places. Pangarap kong libutin yung mundo, guys. Pero guys, na-enjoy ko pa rin yung trips ko kahit in a kuripot way. Kasi I can still enjoy things even in the simplest ways. 'Di ba? Yung just like this. This is free. Na naglalakad-lakad tayo dito sa beach. This is free and this is something that I enjoy. So yun yung mga activities na hinahanap ko talaga. 'Di ba? Kapag nasa trip, yung libre but at the same time ma-enjoy ko. Sabi nga ni Miss Bianca Gonzalez, na-interview pala tayo at ito pa yung suot ko nun. Sabi nga ni Miss Bianca, feeling niya ako daw yung tao na just soaking it all in and then masaya na ako. And very true yun. Kayo guys, anong klaseng traveler kayo? Tapos itong Korea Tourism Organization trip na 10 days sa 5 hub cities in Korea. It just feels surreal. Very VIP yung treatment sa atin. Nauna sa pila, kasi partner yung city government. Pinaka VIP experience so far, yung nasa busan tayo, yung club just for us. I even think close sila pag Sunday, pero binuksan para maging exclusive para sa atin yung club. Grabing experience yon. Dito ko lang ata yun may experience sa KTO. Or what if yumaman-yaman tayo? Pero kahit yumaman-yaman tayo, itong experience natin, feeling ko hindi na ito mababalik pa. Kasi syempre, di ko sure kung kailan ulit kayo magkikita-kita nung mga kasama nating creators. Wait lang, may nagja-jogging na mga opa. Tsare. Mga tao dito nagja-jog-jog din. Tapos ito, mga seagull. Wait, anong oras na ba? Kasi kailangan kong mag-breakfast. 7:18. Akyat tayo ng 7:25. Okay? And our hotel. Ang ganda talaga ng location ng hotel natin, guys. As in, balik na tayo. So every moment talaga, guys, dito sa Korea, ninanamnam ko. Kasi hindi natin alam kung kailan ulit mangyayari. I just live in the moment. Tapos I'm very much honored and privileged na nakasama natin itong mga taong ito because I get to learn from them. Sila yung mga creators na may malaking followers talaga, 100,000 followers sa Instagram and more. 'Di ba? Sino ba naman tayo para makasama nila sa trips? Thank you sa Korea Tourism Organization headquarters. Appreciate nila yung mga post ko about Korea. This is already my 5th time in Korea. And goal ko talaga na every year bumisita dito. So I hope guys, makabisita din kayo sa Korea, yung mga hindi pa nakakapag-Korea. Ay wait, parang yung jogging na opa. Wait lang. Wait lang, parang cute si kuya. Sorry. Shucks. Shucks ka pa nga. Diyos ko. Oh my gosh. Feeling ko gusto ko mag-jogging sa Seoul. Bibili ako ng sapatos, tapos magja-jogging ako sa Seoul. Gawin natin yan. Kasi, 10 days talaga ang nilaan for Korea Tourism Organization na trip na sagot nila. Tapos ako, nag-extend na lang ako ng ilang araw. 4 days yung extension ko na I'm on my own. This also giving hometown cha-cha-cha vibe. May mga nagde-date. From the younger generation to the older one. Relaxing, no? Kahit di na ako magsalita, yung tunog ng waves. Ang dami pang pwedeng magawa dito sa Gangnong, guys. So ano bang mga pinaggawa natin? Nag-museum. I love the museum. Nag-skate. Soju Factory. Songyojang House. Na naging filming spot ng Scarlet Heart. Ito yung best preserved na bahay ng Joseon upper class para tayong bumalik sa dating panahon. So ito yung mga gusto natin sa trip, we're able to learn. Wait lang, ang ganda nito. Gusto kong picturean to. Ganda ng color ng skies. Kung nakapag-ipon kayo ng kahit konti, I urge you to travel talaga. Kasi iba yung nagagawang healing ng travel. Kaya ito yung goal ko sa buhay, mag-ipon para makapag-travel. You're able to expand your horizon. Korea, ito talagang gusto kong balik-balikan. Ang ganda ng view from here, no? Wait lang, picturean ko lang. Before, feeling ko hindi ko siya afford kasi di naman tayo mayaman. Yung sahod ko, nag-iipon talaga ako ng portion from it to travel and tinitipid ko yung sarili ko. Hindi ako bumibili ng damit kasi yung kaligayahan ko din naman ay hindi nandun sa mga material things. It's in the experiences yung kaligayahan ko. Tapos okay lang, no regrets that I spent. Kaka-28 lang pala natin last week. Or kaka-birthday lang natin last week. And there's no regrets na I spent my 20s, traveling. I grew a lot and kapag nagta-travel tayo, tumatayog yung pangarap natin when we are able to travel. If may extra kayo, don't forget to invest din. It's one important thing that I heard from the titas of Europe sa package tour. So kasama natin yung mga titas. And tanong ko sila, ano po yung ma-advise ninyo sa people of my age? So travel lang ng travel, pero wag kalimutan mag-ipon. Dapat may ipon tayo. In the future, kung may emergency tayo, hindi tayo mangutang. Naghanap din ako ng other sources of income, such as this one, vlogging, creating content. May magamit akong money for my expenses during travels. Meanwhile, from our hotel room, this is the view. Ganda, no? Labas lang tayo ng konti. Yun. Ganda ng sunrise. Woo! Let's go. Check out na us. This is the painting that we painted yesterday. Wow. Badada. Okay. Okay, so we're now heading to Seoul. Ito naman ay sunset. Sunset or sunrise? Pero mas sunset siya, no? Color orange. Salamat sa pagsama sa atin. Makita yung sunrise dito sa Gangneung in Korea. Ang haba ng chikahan natin. I can't wait to share more pagdating natin sa Seoul. Guys, this is your sign to visit Korea. And sana ma-approve yung mga visa natin. Ako, I'm very much thankful after 6 times ng pag-apply ng visa, naka-multiple entry tayo. So, manifesting also for you guys. This is Dave, the Korean Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!